In this video, I'll be showing you how to use AI to start a YouTube channel or a TikTok channel. Okay? TikTok and YouTube are video-based social media platforms. And with the help of AI, you can start your own YouTube channel or TikTok channel and grow it and monetize it. Okay? So we'll be looking at how to use ChatGPT and Google Bard to start a YouTube channel or a TikTok channel. Okay? Now, you have to have a niche. Your TikTok channel or your YouTube channel should not just be a random channel that posts everything. No, it has to be niched. You have to have a niche. Let's say you want to talk about health, you want to talk about money, you want to talk about relationship. Okay? So you just have to have a niche. All right? So once you have a niche and you don't know how to generate videos or how to go about it, it's so confusing. Chat GPT and Google Bard can help you take care of the stress of thinking and generating video. They can help you do the thinking, help you get the title, help you get the script, okay? And you now go ahead to make your video. So that is what I will be showing you how to go about it in this video using Chat GPT and Google Bard. All right? So let's assume that I have decided to go on money niche. Okay, I want to talk about money. I want to have a TikTok and YouTube channel that talks about money. So I'm going to ask Chat GPT to suggest a name. Okay, a name of a TikTok and YouTube channel that talks about money. Okay, suggest 5 names of a TikTok and YouTube channel that talks about money. I want to start a TikTok and YouTube channel on making money, investments, and savings. Just lists 5 suggestions of names that fits this channel. All right, now remember, you have to be as descriptive as possible. So I will select all, I will copy this. Okay, then you give the command. All right, let's go to Google Bard. Okay, I will give the same command and let's see the suggestions. Okay, now Chat GPT says Money Mavericks, Smart Saver TV, Wealth Wise World, Invest in Your Riches, Cash Flow Champs. Wow, these suggestions are okay. I can say give me more suggestions that appeals to Nigerians. Give 5 new suggestions that appeals to Nigerian, to young Nigerian men. Okay, so let's take it that I'm targeting young Nigerian men. Okay, I will copy and I will enter. Okay, can you see? Can you see? I now have 5 suggestions that appeal to Nigerians. Okay, let's ask Google Bard the same question. Now, first of all, Google Bard gave me these 5 suggestions. Okay, so let's ask it to narrow it down to Nigerians. Okay, wow, can you see this? Okay, okay, so now we have these suggestions. Now, the first step has been done. The first step is to get a name for your YouTube channel. And with these suggestions, you have to pick one. Okay, just have to pick one. All right, so when you have chosen one, you go to YouTube, you go to TikTok, sign up and create an account. All right, I have a video that shows you how to create a YouTube account and a TikTok account using your phone. All right, now please mind you that I'm using my phone to do this for the benefit of those that don't have computer, but the same process applies to computer. So if you have a computer, you just follow the same process. All right, so at this point we're going to ask ChatGPT and Google Bard to give us 5 video titles, okay, that talks about money that we rank on YouTube and TikTok. Okay, give me 5 video titles that talks about money that will rank on YouTube and TikTok for a channel that talks about money, investments, how to make money and savings. Okay, can you see as descriptive as I am? All right, you send. Okay, let's go to Bard. Give it the same prompt. We send. Okay, let's check. Wow, ChatGPT has given us 5 video titles. Okay, it says 10 proven ways to make money online in 2023. Easy side hustle for extra cash. Can you see? This is beautiful. All right, let's check Bard. Okay, Bard has given us 5 as well. Okay, so at this point we're going to, okay, Bard gave us for YouTube and gave us for TikTok. Can you see? So each of these platforms have their uniqueness. This one gave us 5 that we can use for both YouTube and TikTok. Why Bard gave us 5 for YouTube and 5 for TikTok. Okay, so at this point we're going to ask this AI to write a 1-minute video script for each of these 5 video titles. Okay, so 1-minute video script for each of these 5 video titles. So there we go. All right, say write a 1-minute video script for each of these video titles above. Okay, we copy the same prompt and ask Bard to do this. Here we are on ChatGPT. Okay, so send, give the command. Let's go to Bard and give the command. Okay, It's still writing. This is going to be a long one. Okay. All right, we are done. All right. Okay. It says video title 10 proven ways to make money online in 2023. Easy side hustle for extra cash. Okay. Here we have intro. Welcome back to channel name. In today's video we'll explain 10 proven ways. Okay. And here it is. All right. Now, because we are talking about 1 minute video script, this particular title gave us two methods because it just has to be for 1 minute. All right. So you can see the script we are narrowed down to 1 minute. So you can use it to create a 1 minute short video on TikTok and YouTube at the same time. Okay. So you can ask for a 5 minute video script as you want. All right, now at this point we have the video script. Okay, Bard has given us video script too, as you can see. So what you will do now at this point is copy this video script, paste it in your notepad if you're using your phone or your computer. Okay, you copy it and paste it in your notepad. The next step is to create your video. Now, ChatGPT and Google Bard have done 50% to 70% of the work for you. The remaining 30% is for you to create your video and upload it. All right. So the question now is, how can you create your video? There are two ways you can do this. With this script, you can create a faceless channel that your face will not show. Okay. You create a faceless channel, or you already have the script. You read it and you talk about it in your video, okay, while you capture your face or you video yourself. Okay, so that is it. You either use your face, you record yourself with your camera, with your phone camera, or if you have a better digital camera, you use it, record yourself, edit it and upload. Or you use faceless method. Now if you want to use faceless method, there are two ways I will suggest that you can use. Okay, now the first way is to create an AI video, a speaking AI video. You can use your face or your own picture to create a speaking AI video, or you generate an image. Okay, generate an image and use the script that you are given from ChatGPT and Google Bard. Come to this website, enter the script, and this website will produce a talking video for you saying exactly what that script is talking. Okay, or you can come to this AI website in video. Okay, paste this script. This in video will create a video scene. Okay, explaining what that script is all about. Okay, these are two ways you can go about having a faceless YouTube channel. The first AI tool here turns your words, okay, turns your script into a video. You just have to upload a static image, okay, and this AI tool will make that image talk whatever your script is all about. Okay, with any language of your choice. All right, then this one just creates video. Okay, it creates video using your script. For example, if your script is about football, this one creates video scenes automatically. Okay, it reads your script and creates a video scene for it. Then after the video script has been created on this same platform, you now generate the audio of this script, okay, text to audio, and add it to the video on this same platform, and there you go, you download and upload. All right, I have a detailed course on how to go about this, but for the sake of this video, we are talking about how to use ChatGPT and Google Bard to create video. Okay, so ChatGPT and Google Bard does 50% of the work for you, or 70% of the work for you. The remaining work is to convert the script, okay, into a video and then edit it add any feature that you want to add to the video and upload it. So this is how you can use ChatGPT to create YouTube and TikTok videos. If you want to know how to use these AI tools that I just mentioned to convert your script into a video, you can check the videos on this channel, okay? Or you can just get my course on faceless YouTube creation, okay? Using AI, how to create, grow, and monetize your YouTube and TikTok account using AI. The course talks about everything about YouTube creation and TikTok creation and how to go about monetizing your channel and growing your channel to hundreds and thousands of followers using AI. Okay? So for this particular video, I've just showed you how to use Chat GPT and Google Bard to get your channel name, okay? To get video titles and to get scripts for your video. Do well to like this video, drop a comment if this video is helpful, and subscribe to our channel.